Okay everyone, today I want to show you how to fix clock on the 2009 Honda CR-V with navigation. Okay, first we have to press together this button, map, menu and cancel. So I'm going to press together this one. Okay, and I have to wait. Okay, now I shut down the light. Go to functional setup and then go to GPS send time and here we have to change the year, month and day according to today's date. Okay, you can change one. You can change it. I already set up this clock correctly, so I don't want to change again. I just want to show you how to change this one. See, today is February 27, 2022. So I already set up, so you have to change this one according to today's date. And also we have to change this one, the hour, minute and second according to current time. So you can change also this one. So I already changed my time, so I don't want to change again. So after we finish setting the date and hour, we have to press set. Okay, press set. After we finish that one, we have to go to return and return again and return again, and then we have to press setup again, this button, press setup and go to more and go to clock settings and clock adjustment, and here you have to adjust the time. This time sometime as you have to change. It's just plus or minus according to your time right now. Just change it. Okay. In my time now is 5 o'clock, so I just leave it 5 o'clock. After finish this one, we have to set done. Press done. And then press cancel, press exit. Now time is correct. You can see this one clock. So now is the date and time is correct now. Okay, that's how to fix the clock on Honda CR-V 2009 navigation. Thank you.